Yay, what's going on, traders? It's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, time to put down another video. You know what time it is. Time for my hot pick of the day. But before I get into that, as always, I ask you a big favor. That is to smash those YouTube buttons for me. That's right, you know the buttons, you're familiar with them. Number 1, like the video. Number 2, subscribe to the channel. Number 3, the bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, new videos, go live, yada yada yada, all that good stuff, you'll be right there with me. So definitely you're gonna want to do that. All right, let's get into it. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now this will be my hot pick for tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. That's right, Wednesday already, midweek, getting over the hump. January 15th 2020, halfway through the first month of 2020 already. Time is ripping by, I'm telling you. All right, let's get into it. My hot pick of the day is on the ticker PINS. That is Pinterest. That's right, Pinterest recently gained 6.1% after the new e-marketer data shows the company surpassing Snap. That's right, Snapchat, to become the 3rd largest social media platform in the US last year. That's right, Pinterest grew 9% year on year in 2019 to 82.4 million. Snapchat increased 6% to 80.2 million. That's right, so more people on Pinterest than Snapchat. That tells you something. The firm forecasts this trend will continue, seeing Pinterest with 90.1 million users by 2022 versus Snap 86.1. So a lot of people trying to make some money, you know, doing their thing and trying to learn stuff on Pinterest. So definitely a better outlet than taking selfies with dog filters, right? Anyways, Snapchat did pop up in the news, but as day traders, we always gotta go to the charts. So let's do that. Let's get into my hot pick of the day, the ticker PINS. That's Pinterest. Now, as you can see, Pinterest did IPO back here on 4/22. That's April 22nd of last year, and this was one of the unicorn IPOs that they thought that was gonna go skyrocket to the moon. Yep, and it did for a second. Pulled up all the way to this $35 mark, then kind of just fell off, chopped down in this $25 range. Got another push up in August, September-ish, up to 36 to new highs, and from there just kind of been on this decline to this $25, and then boom, a drop down to this as low as $18 here on a gap down. I believe it might have been the last earnings, and then drop down as low as $17, and finally starting to curl up. The moving averages, you can see here, are crossing the 9, crossing the 50, so some bullish momentum popping off on that. But what interests me the most, of course, this area right here that we love, the gap fill. That's right, the gap fill starts at this 21.28, and it pushed up all the way to about 22.17 today, and then pushed back to hold and actually held the gap fill, which is a good sign. It closed above it, so we definitely want to watch this 21.28 tomorrow. And the gap fill, if you take this wick, the gap fill is up to 24.27. If you use this wick, 24.76, and the next retracement level, you can see I'm a big Fibonacci retracement trader, is 25.32, and you can see from all the way back here, 25.32 was a big support before this gap down. So definitely we would want to see that test at 25.32. But as always, let's look into the intraday chart and take a closer look on what's going on with Pinterest. All right, here we go with the intraday chart from today. As you can see from the pre-market, it did gap up a little bit, then kind of fell flat, and then shot up to this 21.46 and hit a high of 22.17. And as you can see, this fib retracement was right on the money, saying this top was at 22.17, and then it pulled back down to this breakout area of 21.46, and that's where it's been consolidating ever since and holding above. And also remember, the gap fill is at 21.28, so we definitely want to hold that 21.28. Let's mark it over here on the intraday chart as well, 21.28, so we can get an idea of where exactly it's at. There you go, 21.28. So right about VWAP, and 21.46 is the breakout area from today. So those are the levels we wanted to hold. Definitely the lowest we would want it to hit tomorrow to remain bullish would be this 20.89 level, which is the 50% retracement from today. So those are some areas to watch. 20.89 50% retracement. The lowest we wanted to go, 21.28 is the lip of the gap fill, and this 21.46 was the breakout area from yesterday. So those are some areas of interest. We definitely wanted to retest this 22.17, next level 22.75 and 23.32 respectively. And as you can see, 24.27 would be the complete gap fill if you use this wick right here. So lots of room to move with Pinterest, and as you can see, definitely a dip buy here, but we definitely wanted to hold that 21.28 first of all, or possibly pull to this 20.89 at the most. This is the lowest I want to see it to remain bullish on Pinterest tomorrow. All right, that's the levels right there calling out for you. You can always rewind the video, pause it, and mark down these levels because they will be of interest tomorrow. Definitely on my hot pick of the day, the ticker PINS, that's Pinterest. There you go, real short and simple for you today. My hot pick of the day on the ticker PINS, that is Pinterest. All right, you know, it takes a lot to put these videos together. And of course, as always, like I say, all I ask of you guys in return, just 3 clicks of your mouse. Yep, YouTube loves those clicks, and so do I. Click number 1, like. Click number 2, subscribe. Click number 3, hit the bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, new videos, go live, all that great stuff, you'll be right there with me. It's all good. All right, time to wrap it up. Time for me to head on up out the door. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, reminding you to plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.